Today I'm going to change the battery in a 2019 Lincoln Nautilus. I'm just going to point to a couple of key areas here to keep an eye on. These two screws have to be removed. A couple of pieces of wire loom have to be pulled out of plastic. The screw here has to be unloosened for the air cleaner. You unclip the air cleaner, we pivot that up and pull it out of the way, and then we take the airbox out. Once the airbox is out, there is a battery hold down clamp right down in here. We undo that. We undo the positive terminal of the battery. We pull the battery forward, undo the negative terminal, pull the battery out, and then replace it. I know that sounds simpler than it is, but let's give it a go. Now, I've never done this before, so this is new for me, as is a lot of things I do, right? So, in this case, it's best to use a screwdriver. Let me get some gloves on just so I don't make a mess of myself. Now there's clips down here on the air cleaner. Those come off. There's a couple of grommets on here that we have to pull out. There's one. That was a little tough. There's your air cleaner. Now that has to come, still has to come off of here. Alright, that's that. That's out. Now we can just put this off to one side. That's not going to really matter so much. There we are. Now these two screws have to come out, and that's what holds the airbox in place. That's one. That's the second one. That's that. Now somehow this is going to all come out of here. I'm not sure yet exactly how. A little clip on here, I'm going to take this and get it out of the way. And I believe this might be in our best interest if we take this out. Take that out. That should give us some more flexibility over here. All right. You can flip this up out of the way. Now we should be able to get some leverage to get this up out of here. There we are. So I'm just going to put this on the bottom of this, right here. And just tie this up out of the way. Just like that. Now down here, this is the battery clamp, right down here. So you got to get a nut on that and get rid of it. Not exactly sure the size of it. Now we're going to take the clamp off the battery, and you'll be able to slide the battery forward. There we go. And then we'll take the bracket off. It's just a little piece of metal with a hole in it. And that's all it is right there. Okay? So now at this point, we should be able to get the battery clamps off and move them forward. Now in this case here, I'm going to take the positive terminal off the battery. Okay. I'm going to put my glove on it and get that out of the way. All right. Now at this point, you should be able to pull the battery forward. And we got to get pulled out a little bit more to get at that terminal. But at this point, I can just slide the battery out. Right, see it? Now in this case here, we're going to loosen the bolt that's right here. Hopefully you can see it. Then we're able to completely remove the battery. Okay, that's loosened. Just going to use the screwdriver to pry that off. All right, there we go. The battery now can come completely out. I'm going to muscle this out of here. There we are. That's heavy. If you see what's going to happen now, that battery going to slide right in there, put the terminals on, the bracket, reverse a couple of things, and then we're going to be done. And this is the first time I've done this. I've never done this before in my life. All right, I got the battery out of the box, and I'm ready to rock and roll it. Rock and roll the battery in. Again, the batteries are very heavy. So I'm going to have to lift this in so that it goes over that cable and I can slide her in. And I get that back connector on, the negative connector. All right. There we go. I'll just tighten this up. I do a little bit of finagling with this, that's all. All right, that's in. Now we slide the battery back into place and put the positive terminal on. We got to get over the get it over the cable down here. Here we are. Yeah. Yeah, that's beauty. And I see the clamp. We put the clamp on. That's next. That's in there. That's it. Now we're going to energize this by getting this top off, okay, and then connecting the battery. And we're going to connect the battery now. And everything comes on in the car. See? And we'll tighten this up. All right. Right, and that goes down in a little slot in the battery. It doesn't want to line up. So that's good enough. That's good enough for government work right there. So at this point, we're going to consider the job done. I've decided to go out and buy a new air filter because I've got this far apart. I might as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and hope you can tackle your own battery. Bye-bye. All right, now so we can finish this up. I did not want to put the old air filter back in because it's an old air filter. So I went out and bought a new one, okay? And for this particular car, it's the Fram Ultra 11480, and that's the right filter. You can tell quite a bit of a difference, but we're going to get rid of the old one. Now this filter is just going to sit down in the Airbox. It's real simple to install, and that is all there is to it. Now all we have to do is put everything back together the way it came, and at this point it's just really the air filter cover and really nothing else. So we're going to kind of scoop this in here like it belongs. And then these clips just go on like this. And now we've got to put these little things back where they came from. First off, we have a sensor that has to go back in place to clip this. This clipped underneath this wire, I remember. Then this is going to plug in right down here where it came from. Let me just jury rig this into position. That's done. And that's basically it. I mean, all that's left is we've got to take this, oh yeah, we got this hose here. This comes into place right here and pushes in. We'll get that next. I was looking for that, I couldn't find it. New air filter, everything put back together. I had to add brake fluid. It was kind of low and I'm not sure exactly why. But I'm going to do a little cleanup around here, put my tools away and start this up. But other than that, I can't thank you enough for watching. Take care.